Okay, now in this section 4.22, in the main part of this section 4.2, graph a linear equation in two variable using intercept method. Actually, intercept method mean intercept method, meaning you need to find the x-intercept and y-intercept both, and label that on your graph. On your exam, you have to label these 2 points, and then graph your line. Okay. Now let's get into the checkpoint number 2 and 3. This is from your textbook. To page number 240. That example, 4x minus 3y equal 12. This problem only identify x-intercept, y-intercept algebraically without doing graphing. This instruction should identify x-intercept, y-intercept algebraically. So you just do that without graphing. Okay? Unless another example maybe require you to do the graphing. By the definition, x-intercept meaning y equals 0. Okay? Y equals 0, this is 0 here. As you can see on your exam, you can just blank here. 4x equal 12. 4x equal 12 divided by 4, you get x equals 3. That's your x-intercept. So x-intercept is 3, y component 0, like that. It's x-intercept. Y-intercept, x-intercept, int. Okay, that's already here. We'll leave this. Y-intercept, x equals 0. By the definition, okay, x equals 0, you can blank here. Negative 3y equal 12. So negative 3y equal 12. And then both sides divided by negative 3. So y equal negative 4. So your y-intercept, x equals 0, y negative 4. Written like this. Okay? Only write out the x-intercept and y-intercept. That's it. Without doing the graphing. This is our first example. Second example, we want to use our checkpoint number 4. This is our page number 241. That example saying, graph this linear equation. If your exam say only graph this without anything, you can do the the table way. Build a table, you find the point, easy point for that. But obviously, that method will be longer. If your instruction says using intercept method, okay, this is very specific on the exam. They're saying using intercept method, meaning you need to label your x-intercept, y-intercept. So first of all, you're going to find your x-intercept, y-intercept algebraically. X-intercept, y equals 0. So y equals 0 here. 2x equals 6. 2x equals 6 divided by 2. So x will be 3. So your x-intercept will be 3, 0. Y-intercept, then x equals 0. So x equals 0, you can set this one equals 0. So 3y equals 6 divided by 2, 3. So y equals 2. So your y-intercept here is 0, 2. Then you are graphing it. Okay, specific requirement for this using intercept method, you have to label these 2 points there. 1, 2, 3, label, meaning put a point there. Point there. 3, 0. In y-intercept 0, 2. 0, 2, positive 2 here. And then you need to actually connect it to be a line. You cannot just leave 2 points there. You have to graph this line. Okay? This obvious. This line is represent this line here, and then y-intercept, x-intercept here. That's to be that is the how do we graph the linear equation in tubular using intercept method. Okay, without saying using you can do any way you like. Like building a table. Building a table, you set your x 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then find your y value and graphing there. That is a graphing problem without saying anything. Using intercept method, you need to do that like this on your exam. Okay? This is our section 2.22.